children, how are you all? I hope you all are doing fine and you're enjoying your online classes. Today I bring to you a new chapter regarding one of very small part of the computer, which is this one. Yes, we are going to talk about mouse today. We're going to learn in detail what are the different buttons available on the mouse, and then we are going to learn how to use the mouse, how to hold the mouse properly in detail. So let's get started. Children, we all have seen a mouse in and around our houses, correct? We have seen some or the other way. If not in the house, we might have seen mouse outside the house, somewhere in the garden, okay, somewhere in the roadside. Definitely, mouse is small in size and it is having a tail. The similar way, our mouse, computer mouse, is also a small device which is oval shape, looks like a mouse only, and is having a long tail towards it. For that reason, we have the name which is given as mouse to it. Now let's talk about computer mouse. Okay, a computer mouse is a small device. It has a tail which is connected to CPU. Nowadays, we also have a wireless mouse. And let's look at the picture which is coming in the next slide. The picture of the mouse carefully. A computer mouse has 3 buttons. Children, see, I'll tell you one thing, saying that mouse is not connected to monitor. It is not connected to keyboard, but mouse is connected to CPU. The wire of this particular mouse, is connected to the CPU. All the connections are done towards CPU only. If you want to connect a keyboard also, that is also connected to the CPU. As I read, we also have wireless mouses also. So this picture here, you can see it is a wireless mouse. There is no wire connected towards it. So these are wireless. So we have both the kinds of mouses, which is one is wired mouse and one is wireless. On my screen, you can see a mouse which is having a wire, and on the white screen, you can see the mouse which is a wireless mouse which is not having a wire connected to it. As I said there are 3 buttons on the mouse. How many buttons are there on the mouse? There are 3 buttons on the mouse. One is left button, one is right button, and in the center of the right and left button, you have a scroll wheel. You have a scroll wheel. So altogether, there are these 3 buttons on the mouse. What are they? Left button, right button, and a scroll wheel. And a mouse is a special mouse pad, is a special seat for the mouse. You know, children, where do we keep mouse? Mouse, we keep it on the table, but then it is not a good idea to place the mouse directly on the table. So mouse has to be kept on a mouse pad for its safe durability. You can see in this particular video, see this particular mouse which is being used is kept on a mouse pad. So it's not directly placed on a table, computer table, because mouse has to have a cursor flowing around on the desktop. It keeps moving. So for that reason, you are supposed to keep your mouse on a mouse pad. Placing the computer mouse. Place the computer mouse in a proper way beside the other parts of the computer. You should always keep the mouse properly at the side of other parts of the computers. Children, place the mouse on the table. You should always keep the mouse on the table where you have kept your computer system. The button of the mouse should always be pointing towards the computer system. The mouse should not be turned sideways. Can you see on the screen? Can you see on my screen? Whenever I am using a mouse, it should not be like this. The buttons of the mouse and the wire of the mouse, it should be towards the computer. It should be facing towards the computer screen. It should not be like sideways. Okay, it should be kept properly straight because we are going to use the computer mouse pointing towards it, because whenever we keep our hands, it has to be kept in a proper straight way. You can see here in the picture how the computer is been holding. So this arrow mark states that we should keep the computer mouse towards the computer screen. Now let's learn how to hold a computer mouse. Children, there is a proper way to hold a computer mouse. There's also, I'll just have a small video for you to see how the computer mouse is to be used. Children, you should always keep your forefinger on left click and middle finger on the right click. Now let's learn what is the incorrect positions of holding a mouse. This is wrong. This is wrong. This is wrong. This also is wrong. And the correct way to hold it is a mouse is you should place it in a proper position. Yes, children. Did you see in the video? You're not supposed to put your hands in this first position. Follow my mouse pointer. You can say it's incorrect. You should not bend your hands also. You should not raise your hands. And you should not twist your hands, because eventually it will start a pain in your hands. So always place your hands in a very straight manner so that your arms, which are going to, your hands and your palm should always be on the flat portion. It should be in a proper straight manner. Let's see what's next. An arrow that comes on the screen while working is called a mouse pointer. When we move the mouse on the mouse pad, the mouse pointer also moves on the screen. Children, you can see on the screen how you should hold your hands, and this particular mouse, and this side, at the left side, you can see there's a computer screen. So whenever we move our mouse, the pointer on our screen also moves with it. This mouse, when we move, the mouse pointer on our screen will also move on the screen. Yes, and the third point is we use it to select the objects on the screen. So why do we use the mouse? If we want to select any objects on the screen, we move our mouse pointer on the screen, whichever we want to select the object, and do a click. We must always keep computer mouse on your right side of your computer. We do not place, because we use our mouse with our right hand. That's why we keep our mouse on the right side of our computer. Now let's learn a little bit about the clicks. When a button on the computer mouse is pressed, it gives us a click sound. This is called clicking the mouse. See, children, whenever I press a key on the whenever we hold the mouse like this, and whenever I'm clicking something, it is going to produce a click sound. It is going to produce a click sound. You can just hear, if possible, just hear the click sound. I hope you're able to hear it. So if you have a mouse in your house, and just click it and hear the sound. When you press the button of a mouse, it gives you a sound of click. Yes. So and let's just learn what all are the different clicks for. Whenever we do a left click with our forefinger, it is used for selecting an object. Whenever we do a right click, we're using our middle finger. It is used to open a shortcut menu, and there are two types of click. One is single click and another one is double click. Why do we, and these both the clicks, single click and a double click. Single click is for left also and right also. Children, just remember, single click we use it for left click and right click. But when we are doing a double click, it is always for a left click only. Double click is associated with only left click. I'll just show you. On my screen, you can see a worksheet. Okay, if I want to select this, and you can see a mouse pointer around your screen. And if I want to select this particular object, this particular screen of the object, I have to do just one click. If I have to select it, one click. Which click I should do, left click or right click? When am I using a computer mouse? So which click? So I will do it with my forefinger, the left click. You can just see, when I see it got selected, it got selected. Okay, and as I said, one single right click. Let's do one single right click. When I'm doing a single right click, a menu is coming. Yes, a short menu has appeared in front of our screen. See, only with a left click, only an object can be selected. There's nothing happening. But with a right click, we are getting a menu. So when I did a right click, this kind of menu will come. And if I do a double click of the single right click, nothing will happen. It will just give me this one. But if I want to open this object, I have to do a double click using left click button. Left button I have to press 2 times in a fast motion, like click, click. See, my object got open. My object got open in front of me. So this is how our mouse clicks work for us. Quickly we shall revise what all we have learned today. It's a very small chapter. So mouse is an input device. Yes, because whenever we are using a mouse, we are sending sub signals to the computer. We are sending inside some information. So it is called as input device. It is used to select, find and open an app. It can be an object, it can be an app. Application, app is nothing but application. Mouse has 3 buttons, left button, right button and a scroll wheel. And a mouse pad is a special seat for the mouse. And what are the different types of clicks we learned today? Left click, right click and a double click. I hope you have enjoyed today's class. We shall meet with a new chapter in our next class. Until then, bye.